Hi everybody, I'm Shana.
And I'm Zoya.
And I'm from the Environmental Awareness Group in Antigua.
And I'm from Grenada Fund for Conservation in Grenada.
And we are here in Cabo Rojo in Puerto Rico.
Yes, for the Conserving Caribbean Shorebirds and their Habitats workshop.
Put on by Birds Caribbean and Manomet.
The workshop was amazing. We went to a variety of wetland habitats from salt ponds to lakes, and it was really amazing because we got to see a variety of habitats, but pretty much the same birds we would see at home, and we learned some amazing techniques for identifying them and counting them, flock estimation, hundreds of birds, but we got it done.
We really got our identification skills on, and we met so many people from so many different places.
Yeah.
And it's really cool to see how many of us are actually doing this kind of work, because when you're in these islands, it's just you're like, oh my god, the world is on my shoulders, these birds, I'm all they have. And it's really cool to see how many people we have working on the same thing and how much overlap we have in our work.
Yes, it's amazing. So we just want to thank Birds Caribbean and Manomet and the people of Cabo Rojo for taking us in and just allowing us to have this amazing experience.
It's been amazing, fantastic.